Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve the Windows error code 0x80070005 on Windows. So, should be a pretty straightforward tutorial and we're going to jump into it. So, we're going to go right into it by opening up the start menu, and you want to type in command, so CMD. So you type in command, so COMMAND prompt. Best match should come back with command prompt right above desktop app. You want to right click on it and then left click on run as administrator. If you receive a user account control prompt asking if you want to allow this app to make changes to your device, left click on yes. Now into this elevated command line window, you want to type in reg svr32. So again, reg svr32 space quartz, so QUARTZ .dll. Quartz.dll should all be one word here. So again, reg svr32 space QUARTZ.dll. Hit enter on your keyboard one time. Should say DLL register server and quartz.dll succeeded. Left click on OK, restart your device, and hopefully your issue that you were experiencing has been resolved. So, as always, thank you for watching. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.